At Opalitica, we understand the importance of simplifying processes for manufacturing operators. That's why we have developed an exclusive module for them, designed to be simple, intuitive, and efficient. The module consists of 3 interfaces: JIKKO Operator Production, JIKKO Operator Quality, and JIKKO Operator Inventory, where operators can enter and manage data related to the production, enabling you to obtain real-time insights into many operational aspects. Through JIKKO Operator Production, all the details of the manufacturing process for each production batch will be documented. From there, material consumption, quantities of waste, and units produced will be logged. Quality inspections will also be conducted, and the states of the different work centers will be modified in real time. On the other hand, JIKKO Operator Quality is specifically designed for quality inspectors. From there, they can conduct all the inspections configured for the production site, items, orders, or the inventory in general. JIKKO allows them to quickly view the status of inspections and information for each one, making the process efficient and straightforward. Finally, through JIKKO Operator Inventory, all necessary inventory movements can be performed. Easily carry out receptions, dispatches, transfers, and material adjustments, maintaining traceability for each of these operations. You can also use the picking list functionality to fulfill material requirements requested from production and streamline the selection of materials from the warehouse. Check out more about JIKKO Operator and level up your production site.